There's no reason why people who have disabilities or mobility restrictions should have any less access to real-time quality transportation than those of us who are able-bodied. Transportation is the #1 caregiving responsibility in the United States. How do we alleviate that burden on caregivers and get people where they need to go? Hi, I'm Kim Petty. I'm the CEO of Onward, where we're solving for transportation as a barrier to care. We provide door-through-door companion rideshare services designed for older adults and individuals with mobility or cognitive impairments, as well as a platform for enabling everything from an Uber all the way up to a critical care ambulance so that our healthcare partners can have a marketplace that's a one-stop shop for all transportation services. I really wanted to get into the business of solving what's causing people to become ill in the first place. And it's things like they're socially isolated and lonely. They don't have transportation to their medical appointments. And so they end up in the ER or the hospital because they didn't get proactive treatment and care that they needed. Our drivers will enter the home, help somebody put on their coat, their shoes, carry their belongings to the car, fold a walker or wheelchair. On the other end of their journey, they'll walk them into, say, the dialysis facility and provide a direct handoff to a healthcare caregiver. That same driver then takes the person home. And because in our technology, we have what we call a rider-driver favorites feature, you can see the same driver on a routine and regular basis. And they build trust and relationship. We hear things like, I'm only going to my dialysis appointment today because of my driver, Jessica. And Jessica knows that when I get out of dialysis, I'm cold and she has a blanket in the car. These little things make it It's not a ride, it's a connection. It's part of the support and caregiving team that helps people overcome illness and thrive. I'm not always great at asking for help. I think the nature of an entrepreneur is you're not afraid to kind of take risks and try a bunch of things, but sometimes you can forget to realize you can have more collaborators and a better support system. Working with the AgeTech Collaborative, they provide real, tangible, meaningful resources. One of the benefits we got from the collaborative was a bunch of expert interviews. I've spent 20 years in healthcare. I didn't know anything about transit, and one of the opportunities we got was to talk to somebody who was running a large transit organization. The AgeTech Collaborative made that connection, and that gave us a blueprint so that we knew where to go, who to chase, what to look for. We are now in the transit industry in addition to the healthcare industry. I think the most rewarding part of building any business always comes down to people. It is connecting with humans. It is connecting with your team. It is delivering impact that changes lives. It is, the little stories of our drivers even, and how much happier they are driving for us because they have a mission and a purpose and connection. It makes the work fulfilling. It makes you get out of bed on the days when, the work is piling up and there's a lot to do, but you know that the work is good work and that you're doing it with good people.